Imagine that there is an island. If you walk 1 meter on it and you are still alive, be sure that you will die on the second meter. Today we will learn about the most terrifying place in the world that contains 4 poisonous snakes in every square meter. Queimada Grande Island, also known as Snake Island, Ilha da Queimada Grande, is a small, uninhabited island located about 90 kilometers off the coast of São Paulo, Brazil, in the Atlantic Ocean. The island has gained significant attention and notoriety due to its incredibly high density of venomous snakes, particularly the critically endangered golden lancehead viper, which is found exclusively on the island. The golden lancehead viper is a species of pit viper endemic to Queimada Grande Island. It is known for its vivid golden coloration and is considered one of the most venomous snakes in the world. The venom of the golden lancehead is extremely potent and can cause severe tissue damage, bleeding, and necrosis, making a bite from this snake potentially lethal without prompt medical attention. Restricted access. Due to the dangerous wildlife on the island, access to Queimada Grande is highly restricted by the Brazilian government. It is considered a protected area, and only a few scientific researchers and the Brazilian Navy are allowed to visit the island, usually for research and conservation purposes. Tourists and visitors are strictly prohibited from setting foot on the island. Queimada Grande Island has a history of local legends and stories that have contributed to its mysterious reputation. One of the most famous legends is that the snakes on the island are so abundant that they can drop from the trees and fall on unsuspecting victims passing by, leading to almost certain death. While this claim may be exaggerated, the presence of the venomous snakes has undoubtedly contributed to the island's fearsome reputation. Conservation efforts. Despite the island's limited accessibility, the golden lancehead viper faces multiple threats to its survival, including illegal collection for the black market pet trade and habitat loss. Brazilian authorities and conservation organizations have been actively working to protect the island's unique ecosystem and preserve the golden lancehead viper's population. In order to eliminate the island and the snakes present on it, the Brazilian government decided to burn the entire island, but the shock of the snakes remained alive, which made the government put a beacon near the island in order to warn passers-by not to enter it. We got acquainted with the story of this controversial story. If you want other stories of this kind, tell us in the comments. Do not forget to like and subscribe to receive all the stories.